Hello everyone. Like a soaring eagle in the high sky, a courageous technological masterpiece, Bayraktar TB2. Referred to as the Lord of the Sky and immortalized in songs, this extraordinary unmanned aerial vehicle leaves its mark on the modern aviation world with its boundary-pushing capabilities and thrilling features. Bayraktar TB2, developed by Baker Defense, is a successful UAV produced by Turkey. TB2 stands out with its excellent performance, wide range of applications, and modern technologies. Designed and produced by Turkish engineers, this UAV is a domestic and national product. The purpose of TB2 is to effectively fulfill tasks such as reconnaissance, surveillance, and target detection and engagement. Bayraktar TB2 has been included in the inventory of the Turkish armed forces, as well as the armed forces of Azerbaijan, Qatar, Ukraine, Turkmenistan, Morocco, and Kyrgyzstan. In May 2021, Poland announced that it would purchase 24 Bayraktar TB2s from Turkey. With the arrival of the first batch of orders in October 2022, a NATO and European Union member country became the first to acquire Bayraktar TB2 armed unmanned aerial vehicles. In August 2021, it was announced that an agreement had been reached for the sale of an unknown number of TB2s to Iraq, and in January 2022, an agreement was reached with the Pakistan Armed Forces for the sale of TB2s. During Russia's invasion of Ukraine, TB2s played an active role. On February 27, 2022, the Ukrainian Armed Forces shared a video on Twitter showing a Russian military convoy struck by Bayraktar TB2 in the Kherson region. According to the published video footage, TB2 unmanned aerial vehicles successfully destroyed Russian military vehicles, including tanks and surface-to-air missile systems. It was also reported that TB2 destroyed 2 Russian fuel trains. The popularity of Bayraktar TB2 in Ukraine led to a song titled Bayraktar that contained insults against the Russian army in the invasion. Furthermore, it played a significant role in the victory of the Azerbaijan Air Force in the 2020 Nagorno-Karabakh War. Of the 772 targets neutralized by the Azerbaijan army in this operation, 535 were rendered ineffective by Bayraktar TB2s. The total damage inflicted by Bayraktar TB2 on Armenia in the Nagorno-Karabakh War exceeded $1 billion. Bayraktar TB2s were actively used by the Government of National Accord, recognized by the United Nations, during the Second Libyan Civil War in 2019 and 2020. They helped shift the balance of air superiority in favor of the Government of National Accord and significantly contributed to its progress. According to the renowned Oryx website, Bayraktar TB2s destroyed at least 1 T-55 tank, 2 armored combat vehicles, 6 BM-21 Grad multiple rocket launcher systems, 9 Panzer S-1 air defense systems, 44 various vehicles, 3 Su-22 fighter jets, 2 Il-76 transport planes, and 1 M-32 transport plane during the war. Additionally, it was stated by Oryx that due to the limited footage of TB2s in Libya being shared with the public, the number of platforms destroyed during the war was higher. It was actively used in the Turkish military's Claw operations, military operations during its intervention in the Syrian Civil War, and the Second Libyan Civil War. One of the most notable features of TB2 is its high altitude and long flight duration. This UAV can reach a maximum altitude of up to 27,000 feet and has the capability to perform uninterrupted flights for up to 27 hours. Thanks to these features, TB2 can cover a wide area and be effectively used in long-duration missions. Its body is made of composite materials, providing lightweight construction along with high strength and durability. The UAV has a wingspan of 12 meters and a payload capacity of up to 650 kilograms, allowing for the integration of various sensor and weapon systems. The integration of weapon systems with the Bayraktar TB2 enhances its effective target engagement capability with high precision and accuracy. It features a built-in laser target designator for precise targeting and can engage and destroy targets with up to 4 smart munitions as its payload. Special points called hardpoints, mounted on the wings and body of the UAV, are used for the installation of weapon systems. This allows for the transportation and use of different types of ammunition, missiles, bombs, or other target engagement systems. The Bayraktar TB2 is a system that offers all solutions with quick detect and engage capability to prevent damage in close proximity to the target. The Bayraktar TB2 UAV has also been featured in the US media, including The Wall Street Journal, The Washington Post, Forbes, and Foreign Affairs. News related to the Bayraktar TB2 UAVs, obtained through searches with the keyword, armed drones, in their digital editions published between July 1, 2020, and 2021, has been subjected to descriptive analysis and shared with the public. In conclusion, the Bayraktar TB2 is an important example showcasing Turkey's capabilities in the defense industry. In the coming years, the demand and necessity for such indigenous and national unmanned aerial vehicles will continue to increase. The Bayraktar TB2 plays a significant role in strengthening Turkey's defense capabilities and contributing to national security and operational capabilities. If you like it and enjoyed it, please share it with your family and friends for your support. Subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to never miss an upload. Thank you so much.